Hey guys, what's up? I'm coming at you with another bike check. This one's more updated than the last, whatever. So, starting off, I got Salt grips and I got Odyssey par ends. I like these actually, they're really nice. But then I got United Supreme bars. I got them scratched up and they were black, so I just painted them white since I wanted that. So, anyways, the stem, I custom paintedly made an Eastern throttle stem. For the frame, I got a Fit MN3 2012. Forks, I got Verde Cadet forks because I'm cheap and don't want to buy new forks, so it's whatever. Front wheel set, I have no clue. I know it's an Eastern because the stickers are on there and stuff, but I just know it's an Eastern. But anyways, front tire, Fit FAF 2.25, 110 psi. Pedals, Odyssey PC twisted pedals, red and black tie-dye. No, I don't want you to fall. Okay, but cranks, they're stock United cranks. Sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy Serpent Sprocket 25 tooth. Chain, KMC full length chain, black. I don't know what one it is, but it's whatever. Seat post, that is a Black Ops seat post, and I have a Shadow Conspiracy Pendula seat, pivotal. For the back tire, I got a Fit FAF 2.25, 110 psi, Eastern back wheel set. I have no clue what it is, but anyways, so we're gonna go to my friend's bike now. We're doing like a triple bike check in this video because it's whatever, but anyways, he's got Stranger Quan grips. They're okay. I don't like this part. That part's pretty nasty. But anyways, Demolition rig bars. Colt. What is this? Colt Salvation stem or Colt Salvation stem? Okay. Stock.
What's up, boy?
Stock We the People Justice forks. Stock We the People Justice frame. It's practically stock in general. Salt wheel sets, front and back. Salt cranks and chrome. Demolition black pedals, I'm not sure what they are.
The Trooper PCs.
The Trooper PCs, okay. Odyssey Vermont sprocket. Just stock We the People one piece seat, so that's cool. And yeah, I'll just yeah, he's got a Fiend headset. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. Check out this Monster sticker, 10 out of 10.
You gotta get that in the
Sponsored
video.
by Mongoose and Monster. Jesus.
Okay, let's. You sponsored by Harley
Alright,
Davidson.
come here. So,
She's ugly.
we got,
You want these pedals? Because I'm thinking about getting new ones. For
Yeah.
real?
yeah, I do.
Yeah? Dude, yes?
I'll give you mine.
Yeah? No, yours red.
So,
Maybe if I get new ones. I got money too, I just need to.
'cause I need black pedals. But anyways,
I should buy those Clat ones from Jerry.
3503. I don't know what that means, but anyways, Fit Mike Atkins signature bars, I guess. I don't know. Maybe they came off a bike. I'm not sure. Colt Vans grips, no bar ends. Front tire, it's like a stock United tire, 45 psi. Front wheel, it's a stock Verde rim, stock Verde forks, stock Verde Eon frame, stock Verde cranks and seat, Shadow Ravager pedals, and weird yellow. Back wheel is a CST Vault tire and Alienation 440 rim laced up to a Black Ops hub, KMC chain, and a Verde sprocket. Oh, and the United stem front load that came off my old bike. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, that's pretty much the bike check. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. 10 out of 10.